from our lounge, if you look up at the skyline, if you look closely, you can see a pinprick of light shining through the mountain. We call this hole in the wall. And I had the idea to fly my drone through it, only I had to take my 4-year-old son and 3-legged dog with me. Peggy has 3 legs. She is somewhat of a celebrity in these parts, and people will often comment on how well she does.
It's amazing how they adapt.
Yeah, so incredible.
Yeah.
Hey.
I've taken Peggy up to the hole in the wall before, but this was going to be a first time with Ollie. I knew Ollie to be confident in steep terrain.
So to make her go down a bit faster. Step, go!
But like any 4-year-old, he can sometimes be a bit of a monkey. Where are we going, Oz?
Through the hole in the cat.
Are you filming your boots? Getting put on? Like, point it at your boots, that's it? Come on.
Oh, right here, right here.
It's not there, isn't it? Hi, morning. How you doing? Yeah, good, thank you. Yeah, we're going up to the hole in the wall. Wow. Up at the top. So we've got a long way to go. So yeah, we're making a video as we do it, yeah. So yeah, it's for the YouTube channel. So. Red circle, look. You've got it? Okay, point it at the dozer. Now you're rolling. That button there. You want me to lead?
Yeah.
Okay.
Peggy can be at the back.
Okay then.
Why does Peggy know we're going?
Good job. There you go. That's it. Good lad. Look, keep going.
That's cool, Daddy.
Isn't it? Let's keep going.
We go this way.
Yeah, that's it. Good lad.
Your turn.
My turn. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Go, Peggy.
Peggy made it! Don't jump back down!
I know she can climb up that by herself. Okay, guys, let's go. Oh. Come on, Pegs, you've got this. Yeah, you do. Good stuff.
I also.
That's stunning.
I'm also gonna get my camera out.
Are you?
Wow! Take a picture.
Can you see where the diggers are? That's it. Can you see?
Tiny mini dots right there. Why don't you move them one after the other? So we just walked a mile and so up this mountain, and we're almost there, but it's still a long way to go.
Nice.
This is what I was looking for, a swimming pool.
Okay, so we keep going, Oz.
I just need to do something.
What do you need to do, buddy? Because you could fall all the way down. No, I don't want you going down there, Buster, because it's a steep drop off the other side, okay? Yeah, and that might happen.
How do I get up now?
Yeah, you got down there, you got to get up. I'm too far away. So this is why I need you to listen. So actually what we need to do now is have a little bit of a team talk.
With only 2 people?
With only 2 people, we're a small yet very effective team, and here's what's going to happen. Okay, so team talk time.
Down now.
I don't know, buddy. If you've got the responsibility of getting up, you must get down yourself. But here's the thing. Where we're going, up here. That's a big cliff, isn't it?
Are we going all the way up?
Yeah, we are. Keep going. Ollie, can you look? I don't want you to get distracted by this right now. I'm going to give it to you in a second. I need you to look at me and concentrate. Come.
But it's my camera.
It is. I'm going to give it to you a second. Oz, look at me, please. Alright, this is big boy territory. You've got to be careful here because it drops off to a cliff here. Okay, so if you fall from here, you're going to tumble down there. Look where we're going. Can you see we're going up there through the trees? Up there. Can you point to it? There you go, that's where we're going. Okay. Can you see that it gets quite steep? That's it. What does the word steep mean?
You'll slip and die if you fall.
Basically, yes. Let Dad go next, okay, and keep going. So we don't want to end up down there. That's it.
Oh, I did do something quickly.
This is not the place to be playing.
Please, Daddy.
Go on, whip me with that. Go on.
Closer. No,
Didn't
closer,
work.
closer.
No, Ollie, that's not the time. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So when we go up through this terrain here, the steep area, I need you to listen to Dad. To the right. That's it. Pegs, how are you doing? Our Pegs are smashing it. Look at that. Look at it go. Yeah. Oh, wait for Dad. Hold on a second. Who had the all brand all of a sudden? Okay, it's not going to be easy. We need to work together. Okay, you're going to need both hands. So put that stick down, please.
Can I put it in the box?
Just throw it down. Yep. Just chuck it. Not on the dog. Just throw it. Not in. Yeah, there you go. So if you start climbing rocks and I say you can't and you just don't listen to me, there's going to be a problem. All right, you're going to see the ravine now.
Oh, there is it.
Keep going.
Like
Keep going. Up to the left. Okay, are we clear on that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm not being dramatic. Give me a fist bump. Okay. So here's the hard bit. So we're going up through the crack. Okay, so I'm going to take you first. You're going to wait at the top. Okay, because we don't want that to happen. Stay, Peggy, stay. Okay, pretty tight for me. Up we can get your feet. Careful, take your time. Wait there. Okay, so that's part one done. And then going to bring Peggy up. 1, 2, 3, last. You're then going to wait with Peggy. Hold her. That's what I want you to do. Do you understand your job? And then I'm going to come back and get the camera. Ugh. Okay. What do you think?
Oh, there's something like a 20-foot pancake.
Yeah, come see.
Oh, I can't even see this. You see that spot there? You can relax there and sleep there the whole night.
Can you see? What can you see through the other side?
No mountain.
Yeah.
I'm the king of the sea. No one can be.